let's get this started. First, you need to brush the hair down. Brush it smooth as smooth as possible. Then you blow dry. Always apply your serum. Look for the serum that is best known to you. What is this one doing in my snap? I do, that's my friend though. So once you're done blow drying the hair, silky straight, look the way it is, smooth and sweet. Then what you're gonna do, the next step you're gonna do is to take your barrel, your what I use here is the 3 ways barrel. They have 2, they have 1, and you're gonna split it. I also use my spray. The spray is very important to keep the hair silky and make it look sweet. So once you've done that, you go and start placing it. It's as easy as that. It's as easy as that, no 2 ways. So for the sake of time and all that, I did I fast forward it. So you're gonna do it just the same placement. Just keep placing them all through till you get. And the barrel comes in, yes, 3 ways: small, medium, and large. But what I'm using for this tutorial is the large barrel. So by the time you're done with that, then you're going to take your tongue, depending on the size of coils you want. So I needed not too small and not too big coils. I just needed a medium size coil, so I used the 28 tongue to get the toy. So this is the end result. What do you guys think? Please, if you love it, give a thumbs up, like, share, follow, subscribe, comment. Thank you.